Hi, it's Cincy Boy, and I got a double Blu-ray unboxing for you. Nut Job 2 and Paddington, very small ones. So we're starting off with Nut Job 2. Everything's embossed, even the spine. Basically, the stuff inside is digital HD, free movie, Regal points. So, Blu-ray is basic blue. DVD's a green color, where the original had a brown. And here's a quick little one of Paddington. Ultraviolet, which you can take because I don't use that trash ultraviolet. Booklet stuff. My Little Pony Makers, Paddington Bear, the original series, the books, some coupons which are no longer good anymore, Paddington's location visit, is the Paddington Bear Blu-ray, and the Paddington Bear DVD with nothing. So that was unboxings of Paddington and Nut Job 2. Thanks for watching. See you later. So that was two quick reviews of and unboxings of Paddington 2 and Nut Job 2. Oh, Paddington's number 1.